Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and I'm actually really sad that I have to make this video. And if you're wondering why the lighting is so horrible, it's 8 o'clock at night. I'm just wrapping things up at the office for today. I've actually been at work for 12 hours today. It's been a crazy day. But earlier today, I want to actually give a shout out to one of my subscribers. His name is Drive On Reviews, and he let me know about this earlier today. And by the way, I'm going to include a link in the description to his channel. I want you guys to all go over and subscribe to his channel. He's almost at 1,000 subscribers, so hopefully this video helps get him at least a little bit of a boost to get up to 1,000 subscribers or closer than he was before. He posts review content just like my channel, so I'm all about supporting other channels and helping other people grow. And what Drive On Reviews let me know earlier today is he sent me a message telling me that another YouTuber is using my content for financial gain. And obviously, if you know anything about copyright infringement, that is not the right thing to do. And the reason I'm making this video is I'm hoping to create some community awareness so that, obviously YouTube has its things in place, and I have reached out to YouTube about this. And by the way, I'm not going to mention the channel that did this. I don't want to support their channel anyways by having you guys go over and view the fake video that they made using footage that I obviously filmed. And on top of that, I want YouTube's system to take care of this, and so I just don't want to cause any extra issues than what has already happened so far. So from a community standpoint, the reason that I'm making this video is I want all of you guys to, obviously if you see something like this happen, reach out to the creator like Drive On Reviews reached out to me, and let the creator know, but then also reach out to YouTube as well. Help that creator have the copyright thing sent over, so then the other YouTuber that is putting this other person's creations on to have their channel taken down, or at least that video taken down, so that they aren't making financial gain off of what another person created. And the reason that this is such a serious topic, and I know that you guys may not see this as something so seriously because it happens on YouTube, it happens on other platforms all the time where people repost other people's content, but this is part of how I make a living now. Obviously, I have a day job where I work at a dealership, but I'm posting, at least one video every single day. And as you guys have noticed, some days I've been posting 2, 3. I haven't had a 4th video day yet, but I might get there eventually depending on what's happening. But I post at least a video a day. I put a lot of work into this channel, and it's part of how I make a living. And so with the amount of work that I'm putting into this, to have someone take my hard work and then for them to post it for financial gain, it's super upsetting, and it is detrimental to me, not only from a financial standpoint, but just also from just a content standpoint, because the people that are watching this video, I can tell by the comments, because they're saying, oh, great review, all this kind of stuff. They don't realize that that person isn't the one that created that content. They don't realize that I'm the person that created that content, and they're giving this person false accolades for them doing the wrong thing, essentially. So like I said, if you guys see stuff like that happening, whether it's me or whether it's another YouTuber, let that creator know. Let YouTube know. Get that stuff. That's going to be the best protection. YouTube does have a lot of stuff in play, and YouTube has been cracking down on copyright infringement like crazy. And if you work with YouTube right now and you're looking at this video because you're looking at the case that I submitted over, I appreciate your hard work in cracking down on this kind of stuff, and I appreciate all the stuff that you guys are doing to make YouTube a safe platform for creators like me to be able to create content and obviously make a living and prevent stuff like this from happening, so that we can continue to make a living, essentially. And I guess my message to obviously this channel that's taking my content is, if you haven't taken the video down already, which I checked 5 minutes before I filmed this video, and I know you haven't, please take down that video. And in the future, reach out to the creator that the content that you want to use for your video, because people do it all the time. There's a channel that I watch all the time, and the channel's name is Life of Paulos. He's a lot bigger than my channel, obviously, and he uses other creators' videos and content in his channel all the time. But I can tell you right now, because I talk to him on a regular basis, he asks each and every one of those creators every single time before he uses their content in the video. Not only does he ask, hey, can I use your content in the video, but he also says, this is how I'm going to use it, this is what I'm going to say. He's super transparent about it, and that's completely okay, because then when he reaches out to a creator about that, they can say, no, I don't want you to post that, or yes, it's okay to post that. Versus this person that posted my content, they didn't ask me. They did not give me any reference in the video. There is no link to my channel. There is no part in the video where he says, hey, by the way, this footage was filmed by Ben Hardy. He's posting this footage literally, it's so funny to watch because you can see it's me filming it. You can see my like hand gestures that you guys know I have a lot of hand gestures in general. You can see the hand gestures I'm making towards on the vehicle, and then this guy's voiced over it, and it's absolutely garbage, by the way, because it doesn't match up to, you know, my body language doesn't match up to the words that are being said. But yeah, if you're going to use someone else's content, reach out to them, because had this person reached out to me, you know, me thinking about it, I may have let them use the content. Depends on the thing. With what they did, where they wanted to post a review of the vehicle, I would have said no, to be honest, because that particular video that I filmed in the middle of summer when it was 100 degrees outside, and I had been filming for 6 hours prior that day, just completely working so hard, obviously, to get this content. I was completely exhausted by the time I filmed that video, you know what I mean? Being out in the sun for 6+ hours. If you guys don't know, I obviously, with my full-time job, I film 1 day a week. And for the review videos, at least, these videos I film periodically throughout the week when I give you guys information, but my reviews, I film them on my day off, which is Tuesdays. I wake up at 6 a.m., I get myself mentally prepared for the day, and I go to dealerships from 8 a.m. to potentially 6 p.m. depending on how much content I have to film. So I'm filming anywhere, I mean, it depends on the type of content, but I usually film anywhere from 6 to 12 hours that day. I'm just working so hard to be able to bring this content where I can post a video every single day. And that's why it's so frustrating for me for stuff like this to happen. And so, yeah, in the sense that this person used my content where it wasn't like a news type video or something where I feel like it was going to bring more value to the community, where they're just rehashing my content, I would have said no. But then that person would have known, okay, I need to go out and get that vehicle and review it myself, not use someone else's content for my own financial gain. And that's really all I have to say in this video. Like I said, I was hoping that I would never have to make a video like this, but I imagine as my channel grows in subscribers and in views, this is going to happen more often. I see it happen to big channels all the time. Like one of the channels that I watch all the time is the Stradman. I'm sure all of you guys have heard of it. If you haven't, look his channel up. He's got over 2 million subscribers, and there's a bunch of little sub channels where people try to post his content and make money off of it as well. And so I know what's going to happen, but I hope that this video, you know, at least somehow drives with the YouTube algorithms, where it gets enough views, where it gets us out there, so that as a YouTube community, we can, you know, do what we can to help out YouTube itself in getting rid of these channels that are doing this kind of stuff and just making it such a frowned upon thing that people won't do it anymore, that people won't use other people's content for financial gain, and, you know, protect creators like myself so that we can obviously create content on a consistent basis and, you know, get the reward for our hard work. Because I can tell you right now, I wouldn't be posting videos 7 days a week. I wouldn't be spending my day off filming for 6 to 10 hours just for someone else to post my content and make money off of it. And sorry if I went on a little bit of a rant today. Sorry if I seem a little bit frustrated. I just worked a 12-hour shift at my job, and I'm a little bit tired. I'm a little bit frustrated from today, but I really hope that you guys understand this, and I really appreciate the continued support. And like I said again, I know I've already given this guy a million shout outs. Drive On, let me make sure I'm saying the channel right. Drive On Reviews. Link in the description below to his channel. Please help my friend and one of the subscribers of the channel get to 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate all of you for watching. And if you're watching for the first time, please subscribe. I'll see all of you in that next video.